Hello YouTubers, this is an unboxing of a limited edition Fender 65 Princeton Sonic Gold with a Celestion 12-inch Alnico Gold speaker. Got a power cable. Let me turn this thing on its edge. This amplifier retails for $11.99. Got a case with it, or a cover I should say. This is in the Sonic Blue edition color. It's a small amp. It says it's 12 watts. It has volume, treble, bass, long spring reverb, and 2 tremolo. It has 2 instrument inputs. One and number 2 is a 6 dB cut. It has the red jewel. Let's turn it around back here. We've got a foot switch in here that controls reverb and the tremolo. It's got a 12-inch Celestion, like I said, Alnico Gold. This is a 50-watt speaker, and the amp is supposed to be 12 watts. It has a single power switch, on off. It has 2 speaker connects, an 8 ohm and an extension speaker. I was noticing here it says this amp is 15 watts, but it's advertised as 12. And you have your Fender custom limited edition badge. Hope that helps you.